Chosen one, are you feeling drained by the endless struggle? Have you ever gazed at the sky and wondered if anyone is listening? What if I told you that the moment you've been longing for is here? Everything you've prayed for, hoped for, and worked tirelessly toward is arriving now. Your financial burdens, the weight you've carried for so long, are about to lift. And I need you to hear this clearly. This isn't luck. This isn't winning the lottery or stumbling upon a random opportunity. No, this is divine orchestration. You've been calling out, haven't you? In those quiet, private moments, maybe in your car, in the shower, or in the still of night, you've been asking, when will my breakthrough come? Well, this message, reaching you right now, is your sign. Your breakthrough isn't coming. It's already happening. Heaven has officially unlocked your financial breakthrough. The old cycle of lack, struggle, and worrying is over. It's complete. If this message speaks to your heart and you're ready to receive it, type I receive in the comments now. This simple act of faith anchors your blessing and signals to the universe that you are open and ready. Money has weighed on your mind for too long, hasn't it? It's been that subtle pressure, that constant hum of worrying, even as you try to hold on to faith while your bank account seems to contradict it. But hear this, it's no accident that this message found you today. Heaven is preparing your harvest. You are stepping into a season of divine alignment, where financial fear will be replaced with peace. Every loss, every opportunity missed, every dollar taken by circumstance or deceit is returning to you, and it will come back multiplied. This isn't just recovery, it's overflow. The universe operates on abundance, not scarcity. The delays you faced weren't denials, they were preparations. They were molding your character, strengthening your resolve, and equipping you so that when your blessings arrive, you can manage them wisely and use them for good. Think of yourself as a devoted farmer. You've spent countless days preparing the soil, planting the seeds, and carefully tending the fields, even when you couldn't see any growth. You worked in silence, trusting that your efforts would one day bear fruit. And now, the harvest season has arrived. Take a moment right now. Close your eyes. Take a deep, cleansing breath. Inhale abundance. Exhale doubt, worrying, and fear. Let go of every thought that tells you it's too late, that it's impossible, or that you're not worthy. Today, you step into a new reality. See yourself free from debt. Feel the weight lifting from your shoulders as your bills are paid with ease. Sense the calm and relief flowing through you as you realize financial pressure no longer controls your life. Imagine being able to bless your family, give generously to those in need, and pursue your passions without any limitations holding you back. This isn't a dream. This is your life in motion, unfolding exactly as it was meant to. The doors that were once closed are now gently opening. Those who overlooked or underestimated, you will now see your light shining brightly. Opportunities will start seeking you out, as if the universe itself is guiding them to you. Perhaps it will be an unexpected check in your mailbox, a sudden promotion at work, a business idea that takes off beyond your wildest imagination, or a debt that mysteriously disappears. The ways abundance can enter your life are endless beyond what you can imagine or plan for. Be ready to receive it in all its forms. This is your season of restoration. Everything that was lost, stolen, or eaten by the hardships of life is being returned, and not just returned, but multiplied. The years of struggle, the sleepless nights, the moments of doubt, they are all being redeemed. You are being positioned for favor. You are being prepared to handle blessings with wisdom, grace, and generosity. The universe, or heaven if you will, is aligning in your favor. Every seed you planted, every act of faith, every small step you took, even when it felt unnoticed, has contributed to this moment. You are a chosen one. You are stepping into a life of abundance, peace, and overflowing joy. Financial freedom is not a possibility, it is your reality. Receive it, embrace it. Walk confidently into this new season, knowing that everything you've worked for, everything you've prayed for, and everything you've hoped for is now coming to you. Today, the harvest is yours. Open your hands, open your heart, and welcome it. The universe is ready to pour out blessings beyond measure. You are chosen, not because you were flawless, but because you refused to quit. Not because the path was easy, but because you held on when giving up would have felt simpler. You believed in the unseen, trusted in what you could not yet feel, and for that, the universe is rewarding you. Your testimony is being written at this very moment. One day soon, you'll look back at this season of struggle and say, "I remember when everything seemed impossible, but then my breakthrough came." Your story will inspire those around you. You'll become living proof that miracles are real, that prayers are always heard, and that divine timing is always perfect. Walk forward with your head held high. Speak words of abundance over your life daily. Act as though your breakthrough is already present because it is. Align your thoughts, your energy, and your actions with this truth. Whenever fear, worrying, or doubt about money tries to creep in, stop it immediately. Replace it with gratitude. Thank the universe, heaven, or God in advance for the financial freedom, opportunities, and blessings that are already on their way to you. Believe in them before you see them. Speak life over your future. This is your season. This is your time. The long drought of struggle, lack, and limitation is over. The rains of abundance are falling now, and they will not stop. Every opportunity, every unexpected blessing, every favor delayed is arriving at exactly the right time. The overflow is coming and it is beyond anything you have imagined. Prepare yourself to receive it fully. Open your heart, your mind, and your hands. Let go of old patterns of worrying, fear, and scarcity. Let the joy of knowing your breakthrough is already here fill your being. You are entering a life of ease, peace, and financial freedom. This is your moment to shine. This is your moment to prosper. This is your time to walk confidently into the life you have been dreaming of. You are chosen, you are worthy, and you are ready. Every prayer you've whispered, every tear you've shed, every act of faith is now being honored. The rain of abundance is falling. Get ready to be drenched in blessings, overflowing with opportunities, and surrounded by favor. Your breakthrough is here. Receive it. Embrace it. Celebrate it. Step into this new chapter with an open heart and the spirit full of gratitude. The universe is aligning everything in your favor. Thank you for being here, for staying open, and for joining this journey. Your faith has carried you to this exact moment. If this message spoke to you, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more uplifting messages of hope, inspiration, and encouragement. Remember, you are deeply loved, you are fully worthy, and a powerful transformation is about to unfold in your life.